So who wants a haircut? Hand both first. I know Tom's he's first. You say good morning, you can come in as well. 72% of the people who end their life have had no contact with mental health services in the 12 months before they die. So they probably had a haircut or a beauty treatment. So Lions Barber Collective was founded in 2015. I started it because I lost a friend to suicide in 2014, was completely unaware that he was struggling, and I wanted to do something to make a difference. Our charity vision is a world free from suicide, and the mission is to create non-clinical, non-judgmental safe spaces where people feel comfortable to talk about mental health and then be able to signpost them to support and information.
Some people, when they go for it, because some people are scared to communicate. These Lions Barbers, they get people to open up. So I think it's brilliant.
I think what they do is making, from what I've heard, is making quite an impact on people. People have like family, friends, therapists, but some people feel a bit uncomfortable talking to family at home. I think it's nice to have people who are like, maybe sometimes people you don't know, makes you want to open up a little bit more.
Whenever you get your trim, you can just talk to them about daily life. I do the same. I just speak to my barber about daily life, because then the teachers will know as well. If like we're just having a down day, they'll know anything's wrong with it.
People, when they do go to the barbers, they do end up talking like about anything. So just knowing they create that safe environment for them to talk. If you say something, no matter how like what it is, you're not judged. It's like you can just say anything to help you through it.
We've got to look at the future, we've got to look at young men. We can change that narrative before it becomes an issue. We all have mental health, we all suffer loss. It's more about the human condition rather than mental health conditions. We all need to love and be loved, and we all need to belong.